In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an end screen image to your videos using your video editing software. Hi, welcome to the Hidden Online Living YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and in this quick video I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how you can implement and import an end screen image when you're in the process of creating your videos using your video editing software. So before we get into the tutorial, make sure to leave a like on the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be made aware of future content, and feel free to share the video. Also check out the first link in the description and the pinned comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to grow your own business quickly and effectively. Okay, so we'll just jump into the computer and we'll get started. Right, so I'm just here on my film editing software interface. Now I'm using Filmora 9, but essentially this process will work the exact same with any editing software that you're actually using. They're all pretty much the same in most aspects, it's just the layout of the interface is very different. Now the reason why I use Filmora 9, I've been using it for a little while now, and I just find it really easy to use. There's no real complicated aspects of it, and you can create stuff very quickly on it, which I really like. And I just don't want complications. I like to have things as simple as possible so that I can work faster. So essentially what you want to do is, once you've actually got your video set up and you're in the process of editing it, you need to remove or cut the last 20 seconds out of the video. Essentially just snip it down to the last 20 seconds and keep it separate, because if you check the YouTube page on the card page, when you go to your YouTube dashboard, the card or the end screen always comes up within the last 20 seconds of a video. So that's your time, or your time frame basically, to place your thumbnails or your captions for your videos that you want to play next, and even say your subscribe button. So you want to set it up in your video editor so that it's ready to go once that point in the video hits, once you've uploaded it. So I'm just going to come down to the timeline here, and right here you can see where the play icon is actually at the very end. But what we want to do is we want to just scale it back by about 20 seconds, so it's just over 4 minutes 51 here. So we want to try and scale it back to roughly about 20 seconds previous to that, so I'd be roughly around here. So we'll just put it about there, and then what you want to do is you want to come over and find the cutting tool or the snipping tool, or in this case the split tool. On this dashboard it'll be essentially the same on whatever platform you're using, so just click on that and it'll cut the piece out, so you can see it's completely separated now. So the next thing to do in this case, and it's very simple, once I've imported all the media that I intend to use, and Filmora is very easy, you can literally just open your folder that you have all your custom graphics in, and literally you can just drag and drop and it will automatically import in, which is really simple. So I'm just going to click on the end screen that I have here imported. So I'm just going to click it down and drag it down on top layer above where my video is, and you can see now that it's popped up. But what I want to do is I want to stretch this out so that it actually lasts the full length of the 20 seconds towards the end of the video. So I just click it and it will snap down to the very end. And what I'm actually going to do then is this, because it's sitting on top of the video, I don't want it to move, so I'm just going to lock the layer just real quick so I don't accidentally select it or move it. Just highlight the section underneath, and literally all I'm going to do is come up here to the window where the video is shown, just click, and I'm just going to drag it. That's all I have to do. So you're just repositioning it. It really is that simple. Just it's essentially like using a graphics editor where you're just replacing certain aspects on the screen. So once you're happy enough with that there, literally all I have to do then is I'll just unlock this layer again, and what I'm going to do for this as well, just add a bit more features to it. I'm just going to add in just a small transition onto it. So I'll just add this one here, and I will just scale it back so that it comes in quicker, and then I'll add in another one then just at the end. I usually add this one in, it's just a fade image just at the end. I usually always add it at the start and the end of the videos. So I just follow the process that works best for me, and it's the same, everybody has their own process. You just work within your comfort zone and work with what you think is going to be more suited to you. Right, so when I have that there set up, and which really is simple, you literally just drag the transition on top of where you want it to go, and then you can scale it down to resize it, and that'll show how quick or how slow it's going to run. So when I click play, there's the video. Also, if you're looking to get started with your own online business and need a way to figure out how to actually get up and running, make sure to check out that first link in the description and the pinned comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to help you get started quickly and effectively. Also, make sure to check out some of the other videos that I have on my channel regarding tutorials, reviews and helpful hints and tips that you can actually use to help you get up and running. And I will see you all in the next one. So there you have it with that there. So just make sure to save your project so that you don't lose any of your progress. And then when you go to upload your video, you go through that process, and once the video is uploaded, you go into your dashboard and you go into the editing section of your video and then go on to the end card screen, and you will be able to see that end card literally on the screen here. So it's a case of what you do next is you just begin to add in whatever elements that you want to add in. In this case, if you want to add in an extra video or two, and clearly here in the middle you would add a subscription, so you just move that. It will come in here on the top left, and it's just literally a case of just clicking and dragging and you'll move it into position. But what you can also do as well, sometimes it can be a bit fiddly with how you can reposition it. You can hold down the shift key and then just use the arrow keys on the keyboard, and it gives you a more precise movement so that you can move it in smaller increments, so you can be more precise of where you want to reposition things. See, when you look at it here, this is the way I would usually position my videos, and it's just having the end card there. It gives you a clear way of knowing where and how to position all the elements that looks nice, neat and tidy, and it suits the aesthetic of the video also. So then when you're finished with that, then you literally just click save, and then that'll be you good to go. Right, so that's it for this quick tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful, and that's how easy it is to implement the images into your video editing software so that you can add a little bit more style to your videos. So again, if you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications to be made aware of future content, as I will be dropping more tutorials in the future. And feel free to share the video. Also make sure to check out that first link in the description and the pinned comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to help grow your own online business. And also feel free to check out some of the other videos that I have on my channel where I show you tutorials showing you how to do certain things, graphics editing software, or get your channel feature set up, etc. And again, I will see you all in the next one.